Hi there, in this lesson we're going to look at how to draw a basic scale drawing, just very simple ones to get the idea. Now first of all, what you see here is a sketch of a kitchen. It's got 4 metres by 3 metres. It's got a scale here, 1 centimetre is 1 metre. Now what I quite like doing is drawing this wee table out for the scale lengths and the real lengths. So we straight away know that 1 centimetre on the scale is equal to 1 metre in real life, and we can use that to work out our other ones, and there's not really much working out here. So 4 metres in real life goes to 4 centimetres in the scale drawn, and 3 centimetres in real life, 3 metres in real life goes to 3 centimetres. Sorry, I'm trying to draw with the mouse here, it's quite hard. Okay, so when I'm drawing my basic scale drawing, I can just 4 centimetres along, quite easy, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to start at the start of the lines, not the start of the ruler. And then we'll go up and down by 3. So again, starting at the start of the lines, not the start of the ruler. I've just been accurate. So we'll go 3 up. And then because I'm using this, I can just quickly go same along the top and the same on the other side. Again, you would just do the exact same on the other sides. Okay, once you've done that, what you could do is feed in some information onto the diagram. So you could say, okay, that's 3 centimetres, and you could say that's 4 centimetres. You could also put like details inside the kitchen, like kind of copy it out a wee bit. And I would probably put 1 centimetre equals 1 metre next to it. That would be a simple scale drawing of the kitchen there. Okay, let's look at this one. Slightly more difficult, but not really. So we've got a scale here. It's a Brodie Park putting green. We've got a scale of 1 to 300. Okay, so what that means is 1 centimetre means 300 centimetres. So we could write it like that if we want. 1 centimetre equals 300 centimetres, but we also know that 300 centimetres is basically 3 metres. So we can set up with that scale, 1 centimetre is equal to 3 metres, and I think that's the easiest one to use in this sense, because we've got metres going on here. Okay, so I've got a 21 metre real breadth, and I've got a 30 metre length. So I need to divide by 3 to get my scale drawing idea. So divide 21 by 3 and you'll get 7, and divide 30 by 3 and you'll get 10, because I'm really making it 3 times smaller. And I'm going from metres into centimetres. Okay, so I'll just grab that ruler again and we'll have a go at drawing this. Right, so firstly we'll go along the way. So that was 30 goes to 10, so that goes to 10 centimetres along the way. So we'll go for 10 along like this, like that, taking care to start at the right place and finish at the right place. And we're going for 7 high. So hopefully I've got enough room here. I'll just move that down a wee bit actually, down to there. And then we'll go for 7 high. Up to the 7th there. Okay, and again, just for speed, I'm going to clone that and put that at the top. It means it's exactly the same size. And same idea here. I'm going to clone this side, and you can just draw it properly in though. And there we go. So that top side should be 10, and the other side should be 7. Again, put your lengths on, so that would be 10 centimetres. And that would be 7 centimetres. And the scale is 1 centimetre equals 3 metres. Now once you're done, you could put some detail on it, like a wee flag or something to make it look a bit nicer and more interesting. Okay, what about drawing a triangle? Okay, so again, we've got a scale here. We've got a height and a base. So we'll start the same way. So we've got a triangle here, create a wee table, scale and real. We've got 1 centimetre is equal to 7 centimetres. And we'll put the real sizes in this side here. So we'll go for 35. And on the other side, what have we got? 21. And again, because you're starting at this side, you're dividing by 7 to get this. So 35 divided by 7 would be 5 centimetres. And 21 divided by 7 would be 3 centimetres. Okay, what I'll do is I'll go and get that ruler again, and I'll put it onto this screen. Okay, so the first thing I think we'll do is we'll get the bottom of the triangle. So the bottom of the triangle was 5 centimeters, so we'll go 5 centimeters long, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's about right. And then 3 centimeters high. So 3 centimeters high, we'll go up just from about there, that's about right. Notice I'm not doing the diagonal because I've got no measurements on that, but because I've got the 5 and the 3, I can just join these two bits up to finish it off. So just join that up to there and you're finished. Okay, then you can put your measurements in. 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters. And I always like to finish it with the actual scale. So 1 centimeter equals 7 centimeters. Okay, last one. A wee bit of a harder one here. So this is a sketch of a triangle. It's an isosceles triangle. Make an accurate scale drawing of the flag using the scale above in the red box. So let's get the measurements first. So we've got our scale and our reel. We've got 1 centimetre to 8. We've got our 48 and our 64. Now this scale basically says we're dividing by 8. So that's going to give us 48 divided by 8. That's 6 centimetres. And 64 divided by 8 is 8 centimetres. Okay, I'm just going to again steal that ruler and I'll put it in over here. Right, so I guess along the bottom is our first thing to do, which we're going for 8 centimetres. So 8 centimetres along the bottom. Now I'm just going to draw the triangular bit first. So we've got 8 centimetres along the bottom. Now, when you're trying to draw the flag, you're trying to draw the kind of, I suppose not really the bottom, but the middle of the flag. So you can, I would draw that kind of faint actually, maybe make it a wee bit fainter. Maybe you can go with that. Okay, because that's where the end of the flag is and that's the start of the flag. Now, up and down the way is actually 6 centimetres. But if you think about it, because that dotted line's right in the middle, that should be at 3. So that will tell us how high and how low the flag is. So it starts up here, goes 3, and then another 3. And that gives you the idea of this triangle, because we know that's right in the middle. Now I can just join that up, like that, up to the end. And you could even rub that kind of middle line out. See that kind of greyed line out? You could rub that out. I'm just going to delete it now, because I don't need it there. Okay, now what you could do, suppose, you could put your kind of measurements in, like that. And you could say, okay, what was that? That was 8 centimetres. And that was 6 centimetres. And the scale was 1 centimetre equals 8 centimetres. And then again, I guess you could add some details into the flag. You know, you could draw the wee post at the side, you could put the wee bits of string to it, you could put the heart and the stars and just make it look a bit better.